Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WordPress Admin for security plugins and hardening step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL of your WordPress website. Add /wp-admin at the end of your website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the WordPress login page. Once the login page loads, you will see two fields, username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you prefer, check the box that says Remember Me to stay logged in on your device. Once both fields are filled out, click the Login button. Wait for the dashboard to load, which may take a few moments. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu. Find the Plugins section to review your installed plugins. If you need to install a security plugin, click Add New under the Plugins menu. In the search bar, type the name of your desired security plugin. Once it appears, click the Install Now button next to the plugin. After installation, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. To access the plugin settings, go back to the Plugins menu. Locate the newly installed security plugin in your list of plugins. Click on the Settings link for your security plugin to configure it. Follow the plugin's specific instructions to enhance your site's security. Consider implementing features such as two-factor authentication or strong password enforcement. After you finish configuring your security settings, make sure to save your changes. Regularly check the dashboard for updates to your plugins and themes. It is essential to keep your website secure and up to date to prevent vulnerabilities. Remember to log out of your WordPress admin area when finished. This practice helps maintain your site's security, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.